If you're wondering how to find the best fonts here on Creative Fabrica, then let me show you how. Now, first of all, let me just say that to find the best fonts is kind of subjective, because everyone's going to have a different purpose for what they're looking for fonts for. But nonetheless, let me show you how to find some of the best. Now, what we want to do once we're here on Creative Fabrica is come up to fonts. Now, don't worry about all of these different categories. We just want to click on the main one where it says fonts, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now, if we scroll down to here, to where it says popular this week, we want to click on view all popular fonts. And then if we scroll down, we're going to see all fonts just here, and we can filter this by popularity or by latest. So right now, these are the most popular fonts here on Creative Fabrica. So ideally, these would probably be the best. But because they're popular, this means a lot of people are actually using them. So what I like to do is come on here and then filter by latest. And now we have all of the latest fonts which have recently been added here on Creative Fabrica. Now by doing this, you're going to find fonts which not many people have actually used. Now you can also do this on all of the different categories here with script fonts, display fonts. So if we open display fonts in a new tab and come down over to here, again, we can filter display fonts by popularity or by latest, just like that. And again, we can actually do this for all of these different categories. So that's how you can find some of the best fonts here on Creative Fabrica. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.